Would you like to change the PIN code of your SIM card on your iPhone but don't know where to find this option? This feature can be useful if you want extra security or simply prefer an easier PIN to remember. In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly and easily change your SIM card PIN directly from the settings on your iPhone. So, stay until the end of this video and follow my steps to learn. Alright, let's get started. When you're on the home screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. Once you're in settings, the next thing you need to do is find the mobile service option and tap on it to open it. After opening this option, you will see several settings related to the mobile network and SIM card. Now, scroll down a little, find the SIM PIN option, and tap on it. Next, tap on the Change PIN option to start the process. First, enter your current SIM PIN. And once you have entered it, tap Done in the upper right corner of the screen. Then, enter the new PIN you want and tap Done. Then enter the new PIN again to confirm and tap Done once more. From now on, every time you turn on your phone or insert the SIM card into another device, you will need to enter the new PIN you set. If an error appears, check if you entered the current PIN correctly and try again. And that's it for this video, friends. I hope you successfully changed your SIM card PIN. If you did, be sure to leave a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. See you very soon in my next video, and thank you so much for watching.